Meaning of impenetrably.
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 Impenetrably. The word impenetrably refers to something that is impossible to penetrate or enter. It describes a state of being completely closed off or inaccessible, whether physically or metaphorically. For example, a thick and sturdy fortress wall can be described as impenetrable, meaning that it cannot be breached by invaders. In a figurative sense, a person's emotions or thoughts may also be impenetrable, indicating that they are difficult to understand or access. Overall, impenetrability connotes a sense of impenetrable strength, resilience, or inscrutability that defies any attempts at intrusion.